Hey guys, welcome back to my channel, and today we're going to be doing a weekly plan with me in my Erin Condren Life Planner that I use as a homeschool planner, and I will be using yet another new printable shop to me called Plan for Happy. I think this is a relatively new shop, and I tried something new by trying to foil my kit. Yeah, that was an experience I don't think I'll ever want to deal with again. Because it was really hard for me to line up the printed color part, like that went through the inkjet printer, into my laser printer, so I can print out the part that's going to be foiled. And it was just a little bit off on alignment, and then, but it wasn't enough for me to you to really notice unless you look super close to it. And then I tried to foil it, and there's some parts that are patchy, and I was just like, you know what? I done invested so much time in this. I'm just gonna keep it cracking, keep it going, because it's still cute, and I really do love it, and especially the photo images of all the flowers. And I'm just in a spring kind of mood because I'm over, the dreary winter, and I don't mind the gray, like the gray skies, but goodness, I'm just over the cold and the snow and the slush and the grossness. So yeah, I thought this kit was just fitting for how I'm feeling right now. Just happy and bright and just full of color. So yeah, let's get back to the homeschool thing, right? So we're coming off our break because we school for 5 weeks and then we take a week-long break, which was very necessary because we were both at the end of our ropes. By 5 weeks, that's our limit, mostly baby planner nerds limit, and that's when it really becomes a struggle to get through our day. So for the next 5 weeks, I'm going to try out switching our schedule again. So we're no longer trying to cram a week's worth of one subject into a day, because how it was before was Mondays was Math Monday. We do all our math for the week in that day. Tuesdays was writing. Wednesdays was grammar. Thursday we do our reading and our cursive that day. And Friday it's usually just her free reading day. She can read whatever she wants, and catching up on co-op things, and also art. But now, it seems that since writing has been a struggle for what seems like forever, I've decided to break it up how it's supposed to be broken and just do a little bit each and every day. And I decided to do that for grammar too, because you're only supposed to do one sentence per day for each paragraph. That's the way that Fix It is set up. And so I'm just, breaking everything up all over again, how it was originally before we had issues, and then switch to the one subject per day schedule. And that worked for a bit, and then we had issues. So now we're going back. So she does 2 math assignments a day, a little, one part of her writing a day, one part of her grammar a day. And we're just going to do that throughout the week. And technically, she should be done with her schooling by Thursday. Like her main subjects, her reading, writing, grammar, math. So basically reading, writing, arithmetic, and including her cursive. All that should be done by Thursday. And then Friday is just a free day for her if she wants it to be. So we're going to try it again because we had a discussion about it, and we're just trying to figure out why can't she get through her schoolwork in a timely manner? What's the struggle? So that's basically what we're doing. We're just breaking it all up, and hopefully, fingers crossed, it works this time and it sticks. We also have quite a few events this week. It's pretty packed. So she has her ukulele on Monday. That's her last ukulele class before her spring recital, and then we're done with ukulele until probably the fall. Thursday, she has an event at the local college where it's everything revolves around nanotechnology, and it's very hands-on and a lot of experiments. We did it last year. She's excited again for it this year. Saturday, we're going back to the university again because they're having their Spring Fest with their Bug Fest, where she gets to try out different recipes made with bugs. and there's a cricket spitting contest, and there's a whole bunch of events happening at that Spring Fest on Saturday. So we're doing that. And on Sunday, there's another event we're going to where it's about tinkering and engineering and things like that. So yeah, I'm not going to get any sleep this week. Like at all. Working nights is a bear, but working nights and homeschooling during the day, it's and working weekends and working nights, it's whew, okay. But yeah, so Friday, there's a survey that they want the kids to do for co-op to figure out what they want to cover next year. And I'm also going to use that for making up any assignments she didn't complete that week. So yeah, this is our completed week here. It actually doesn't look that bad, but I know come Thursday, that weekend, I'm going to be exhausted. So yeah, if you like this video, please give it a thumbs up. Also, if you haven't already, please go ahead and click that subscribe button down below. If you have, thank you so much for joining me and subscribing. Until next time, thank you for joining me. Bye!